Hello students. Hi. Here I am Sunil Harinkhede, English subject assistant, Diet Gondia. Dear children, today we are dealing with English grammar, and under this grammar section today we are going to learn about adverb. Dear children, are you enjoying the videos? Yes, that's good. What is adverb? Do you know? Yeah, I think a part of speech. Yes, but what is adverb? We will see more about it in this video. Just go through the given text. Here we have a text and read it carefully. Ants and termites live in large colonies. Ants have long legs and can run swiftly. They can climb anywhere. Termites eat mostly plants. Most termites build mounds underground. The mounds have thick walls to keep out enemies. Ants can lift the things easily. Army ants always on the move. The queen ant waits patiently for workers to bring food. This is the text. Here some words are highlighted. Swiftly, anywhere, mostly, underground, easily, always, and patiently. Dear children, can we guess how some actions are happen in this text? Can we guess? Actions. Which actions are in this text? Run, climb, eat, build, lift, move and wait. These are the actions. These are the verb. In our last video of verb section, we have already discussed what are the verb. Yeah. So run, climb, eat, build, lift, move, wait. These are the action words and they are the verb. But they happen how, where, how often. So let's see. Run swiftly, climb anywhere, eat mostly, build underground, lift easily, move always, and wait patiently. Means these words are telling more information about the actions. Yes, the action run, but more information: run swiftly, climb anywhere, eat mostly, build underground, lift easily, move always, and wait patiently. So these are the actions, and the swiftly, anywhere, mostly, underground, easily, always, patiently. So these words are telling more information. Yes. So what is adverb? Let's see. An adverb is a word that adds more information about place, time, manner, cause or degree to a verb. In last actions in that text about place, underground, anywhere, yeah, these are the adverbs. An adverb is a word or an expression that modifies a verb and telling more information about verb. Adverb also modifies adjective, determiner, clause, preposition or sentence. Adverb is answering questions such as how, in what way, when, where, what extent, So these are the questions, and the answer of these question in sentence, that is adverb. Adverbs are often ends with ly. Generally, they are ends with ly. So that is the information of adverb. Let's see with the help of sentences. For example, Mohan plays sharply. Here, Mohan plays. Play is the verb, but the word sharply tells more information about verb. And here it ends with ly. Javed ran fast, telling more information about action ran and how fast. I work more than you. Here the word more is adverb. Sometime I play cricket. Sometime. Tomorrow I will complete the task. Here the tomorrow. He hid behind the wall. Place. Yeah, he behind, but where? So behind the wall, the word behind is an adverb. He now and then goes to temple. His friend never goes to school. I quite agree with you. So sharply, fast, more, sometime, tomorrow, behind, now and then, never, and quite. So these words are adverb. They are modifying the verb. They are answer of the questions. How often, yeah. So these are the adverb. It's raining heavily, yeah? Telling more information about verb raining. So these are the adverbs. Thank you guys. In this way, today we learn about adverbs, yeah. In our next video we will take more information about adverb types of adverbs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.